Hello, my name is Renette Legace. I'm the author of the best-selling book, The Courageous Entrepreneur. This book is a compilation of all the true real-life stories that business owners struggle with year after year, day after day. Some of them could be simple tasks that can be changed to make you save more money, can actually plug those leaks that are happening in your business. And some of them are really cool strategic tools that you could be using that are at your fingertips that tend to get ignored by business owners or totally missed. This is a really great resource, even just to go to. Maybe you are carrying way too much credit for your customers. How much credit can you cover for your customers? There's a cost to that. And as we all know, cash is king. We all need cash flow in our businesses so that we can pay our bills, pay our employees, make sure that we're able to keep up on all our tax deductions and tax remittances that we need to do for us as well as our business. This is just a great resource. It has a lot of key areas where you can go find more information. And the best part of it, there's a toolkit that refers to at the end on how you can use those key tools at your fingertips. Also, with this book, if you are interested in receiving it, I will sign it personally and send it to you directly. And if you're interested in looking at the Courageous Entrepreneur to the Successful Courageous Entrepreneur course, I have one starting soon, and it's a 6-week program where we show you how to use those tools at your fingertips so you can strategize exactly the things that your business can do to make a difference within 6 months, a year from now, and even every year from now. You can sit down and re-strategize with that toolkit that will be given to you in this 6-week course. This is exciting stuff because I find a lot of these crazy tips are so valuable. There's so much in here that, as much as some business entrepreneurs may think, okay, well, a lot of it's common sense, it's amazing how many that miss a lot of key areas. So if you're looking forward or want to get some more information, you could put in the comments below or email me or text me or go to my website, thecourageousentrepreneur.ca, and in there you will find information about my book, where you can order it from Amazon, or you can also look at the options that are available for the course, The Successful Entrepreneur. So the Courageous Entrepreneur to the Successful Entrepreneur. Anyway, my name is Renette Legace. I look forward to hearing from you. Take care.